This coin could be the next AI sensation in the crypto space. It's a very new coin that has a lot of potential. In this video we are talking about Sleepless AI and I share my price prediction for the next bull run with long and short term analysis. And we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Sleepless AI to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. Sleepless AI is on place 249 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $170 million. The coin is just existent since this year and we are now seeing a bullish move to the upside. I think it's a very interesting project because it combines two very interesting niches in the crypto space. Sleepless AI combines the two very interesting niches, gaming and AI for the future. And if we have a look at the technicals, you can see that after the project got launched, we saw this bearish trend to the downside, but we didn't make lower lows, we made slightly higher lows. And in the last days, we broke this trend line to the upside. After that, we got the perfect retest right here. And after that, we saw the bullish continuation and we made a higher high. So that's a very bullish sign. So right now, the chances high that we can continue this bullish momentum, especially if we're breaking this last highs and this high right here. If we see a daily body close over this kind of levels, then I think the chances high that we could see an explosion for Sleepless AI. And if we would see this bullish explosion, and I think Sleepless AI has a lot of potential to the upside, we just have a market cap of $170 million. So we have a lot of potential to the upside. And I think prices around $30 are very realistic for the next bull run. And if we would reach this kind of price target from the prices right now, we would have a potential of 2,200%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Sleepless AI. Of course, guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But as I said, Sleepless AI has a small market cap right now. So I think this could be a potential price target for the next bull run from the prices right now. Of course, if enough money flows into the coin, the potential could be even higher. But I think this price target is very realistic, especially if the bullish trend continues at the total crypto market cap. Then the chances high that we could reach the last all-time high. And if enough money flows from retailers and institutions into the crypto market, the chance that we explode over the last all-time high is very high. And if then a small percentage flows into Sleepless AI, the chances high that we could reach this kind of price targets. So we look for potential price targets and now we are looking for potential buy areas to buy some coins for the long term. And of course the chances high that we can continue this bullish momentum to the upside. So I think the chances high that this prices around here are already a great chance for the long term, especially because we broke this trend line to the upside and we are in a bullish structure. But if we would see lower prices again, then the first interesting area is this demand zone right here, because this demand zone was the start of this push into this new highs we made in higher high. So the chance if you come back into this zone that we then continue the bullish trade is very high. So if you come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is a great potential buy area for Sleepless AI. And if we would see even lower prices, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here, because this demand zone caused the push into this highs. So if you come back into this demand zone and see a bullish reaction, then the chances is high that we can continue the bullish trend from this zone. So I think if we see lower prices, this is a great area for the long term to buy some coins for Sleepless AI. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Sleepless AI, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, guys, I think Sleepless AI is an interesting AI project with a small market cap and a lot of potential to the upside. And we are right now seeing this bullish trend to the upside. And I think the chances are that we can continue this bullish trend. And I think prices around $30 are very realistic for the next bull run. Of course, guys, it's just the orientation from the prices right now. But if we would reach this kind of price target, we would have a potential of 2,000%. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Sleepless AI. But in the crypto space, it's very important that you don't invest your whole money into one coin, so you have a strict risk management. Please keep this in mind, guys. And if you want to see my Tao price prediction for the bull run, then click on the video in the credits. I also have a playlist on my channel with all of my crypto coin price predictions for the bull run. Feel free to check it out. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.